Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use Helix command in wireframe and surface design. Wireframe and surface design is a very important in use in CATIA, and today discuss here Helix command is very important and very useful in CATIA software. Okay, and today CATIA lecture 68 is discussed here, and this all is 3 commands, but 2 commands is previous lecture is discussed here, and you can see here previous lecture, and today Helix command is very important. Okay, at first open a CATIA software. Okay, this is our CATIA software interface, and this is a Helix command and use in CATIA. Okay, at first drawing a any shape, then use a Helix command, then shape is a very nice. Okay, at first use a YZ plane and sketch drawing a spline. Okay, this okay, this body is a drawing here. Okay, and okay, this is a drawing here. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, exit, and okay, some drawing some line is a shape here. Okay, this is a correct, and this is a okay, and okay, this delete here, and again drawing a this, and this body is a this, and this. Okay, this is a correct, exit. Okay, and this face body, and this is a correct here. Okay, this is correct. Okay, this is a shape is nice. Okay, and okay, this body, okay, this is a correct. Okay, this shape is very nice, and draw a okay, this is a exit. Okay, and okay, and use a helix. Okay, click here helix, and at first helix curve definition is pop up, and starting point select this point. Okay, and axis, this plane is a any axis. Okay, a vertical line, a horizontal line. This is a select axis is a vertical line. Okay, this is a correct. Vertical v direction means vertical direction, and pitch is 1, and height is pitch is 2. Preview is showing here, and the height is a this is a correct. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, and body is a okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and also direction is reverse. Okay, reverse is not correct. Okay, this is a okay, direction is okay, this is a correct. And okay, and guys, law is this is a and this constant, and this is a S type. Okay, and this is a start value is 2 mm and end value is 1 mm. Okay, and this is a size is increased 2 mm, and this is a size is a 4 mm. Okay, 4 mm, and okay, and then use a revolution. This point is a this. Okay, this is a correct. Also you can see here. Okay, this body is a preview is showing here. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, and this point is a okay, this is a select point is a okay, this point is a selector, and a drawing a any circle command. Okay, circle command is used and sketch a this. Okay, this is a very important, and use a this point and use a circle again this point, click here, and any direction is a this, and okay, okay, circle is drawing here point, and this is a any curve, any center point and direction, and this is a small. Okay, and the size is a 2. Okay, this is a correct. Size is increased 4. Okay, this is a okay, and size is more, but size is 2. 2 is correct. Okay, 2 is correct. Then use a sweep command. Okay, and this is a profile. Okay, this is a profile. Select here with reference surface, and this first is profile. Select here, and this is a guide curve, means this guide curve means this is a correct here. Okay, this is a preview is showing here. Okay, this is a perfect. Body is a perfect drawing here. Okay, and this is a perfect. Okay, and color is change here, and color is a okay, this is a blue pink color is good. Okay, this is okay, and this hide, this is a curve is hide, and body is a super looking. Okay, and this body is hide. Okay, this body, this plane is also hide, and this plane is also hide. This is a body is nice looking here. Okay, this is a also hide. Okay, super. Guys, looking is okay, and this is a isometric view is drawing here. Okay, and this is a perfect. Okay, size. Okay, zoom. So okay, this is a correct. Okay, and so much here, increase, zoom out. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, very nice looking here. And guys, okay, this is a perfect looking here, and this body is a nice, and helix command is also discussed here. And okay guys, next lecture is coming soon, and Helix command is discussed here. And guys, okay guys, thank you.